You may have been friends with someone for years, but it only takes a second to damage that friendship with one wrong word or two. Now that you have made the mess, it's time to clean it up with a well chosen apology. There are different ways to say you are sorry, of course. So, hello friends, this is Aashi Khan, your host. Hope you people are doing well and living a happy and healthy life. Today, our video is about how to apologize in different situations by few sentences, or you can say a short speech. Let's examine the words and a few of the situations. They are most suited for. Hopefully you won't find yourself in too many of these jams, but let's face it. We are all human and we all make mistakes. So let's start it. I am sorry. I know I hurt you by my misbehavior. Please give me one chance to prove me forgive me. Next, I am extremely sorry for hurting your emotions and feelings. Please forgive me, my sweetheart. Next is, I know I had been stupid. I know I had hurt you. But there's one thing I'm not sure yet. Will you forgive me? I'm so sorry. Next is, sorry, I mess up. Sorry, I'm not perfect. Sorry, I hurt you sometimes. Sorry, I sometimes cry because I'm afraid of losing you. Next, I know my sorry may not mean that much to you, but I can say it means a lifetime of our friendship to me. Forgive me, buddy. Next is, I am sorry for being so emotional. I am sorry for being so possessive. I regret that I cry for you. I regret the fact because I can't live without you. Next is, I am so sorry, my friend. I made you mad. I am so sorry, darling, for making you sad. Please forgive me, my babe, and make me glad. The next is, I am sorry I fight with you. I shout at you. I do misbehave. I hurt you a lot, but I simply can't live without you. I am really very sorry. Next is, maybe I can be angry at that time. I can childish. Maybe I hurt you, but I care you and love you. I'm sorry. Love you forever. Next is, I am sorry for being selfish. However, I can't help it and I want you just to myself. Please be my love, my lifelong companion. So friends, this is all in today's video. I hope you like this video and it will be helpful in situation where you're stuck up with your friends and your loved ones or your relatives and you don't find the way how to apologize. So friend, if you like this video, then subscribe my channel, share this video, and do not forget to press the bell icon for more notification. Till then, bye bye.